Gold and silver has seen a sharp drop yesterday and have recovered strongly as well. In my update yesterday, I have mentioned once gold breaks below 2490, we can look forward to a greater slide. While likewise for silver, it was 28-28-20 zone. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect? Can we expect this bearish momentum to continue today as well? Can we expect more drop, or there is a possibility of a reversal and a recovery? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session, before the data release. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. On the early charts, if you look at gold, see, earlier I have mentioned that, see, this was the box in which it has traded for long, 25-30 as the greater resistance after this first decline. And then I have mentioned that this is another box. Once it comes out of this, there is going to be another round of decline. Now, what has happened? See, moving averages are definitely trading with divergence and bearishness. It is trying to create a bearish channel. The top of the channel somewhere here at around 2500, 2505 zone. This is going to be definitely a good resistance zone. And then 2510, 2512 zone. Only bullishness in gold today is if you see it trading below 25, beyond 2510, 2512 zone. What has happened? See, prices were divergent from 20 period. It has retraced, hitting the 20 and 50 period, trying to reverse. Now again, 2490, 2484 is the zone you should watch out for. Below this, more bearishness will prevail today. If you look at a stochastic, this has dropped a bit. MACD here on the early charts is rising, looking upwards, trying to retrace. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation, drop and retracement towards 20 period. Now, yes, if you see it is staying below 2490 today, yes, you can sell again. That is the level below which we can expect more bearishness. Crossover here in the moving averages is definitely a bearish sign. That is 2502, 2505 zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, suggestive of bullishness. But remember, it has still a lot much of a scope on the downside. You can see when it was bullish, it has hit plus 15 levels. So while it has turned bearish, it can hit minus 15, which can take the prices further down. RSI rising, coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour chart, see, this was the bullish crossover. We have seen gold staying bullish on the 3-hour charts for 1 month almost, and now it has crossed over for sell. So this is going to stay here for a while. That is what is my expectation. If you look at the formation, see, bearish candles were sharper, retracement candles are smaller. We have to wait for it to drop below 2490, 2484 zone, which should be a good level for us to take a selling entry. Right now I can see it creating, after this drop, creating a slightly bearish channel. Remember, any move beyond 2505, 2510 zone will negate the bearish view here. We have to be careful there. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over here for the buys, and this crossover is coming after a good decline. So I will wait for a couple of candles because the current candle is going to be important. If it delivers a stronger bullish candle, we can see it diverging, and that will lead to or open the path for further rise. Right now it is just crossed over, so it can in fact reverse. RSI rising, coming to 4-hour. Similar observation on the 4-hour chart. See, one sharp bearish candle, 3 candles it took to retrace, and now it is trying to reverse. So now again 2489.90 zone, you have to wait, and then 2484.85. Moving averages crossing over here, again a bearish sign here, and this is also crossed over after almost a month here. So this could stay here for a while, and yes, the resistance here at this zone is going to remain stronger. 2502, 2505.5, 2510. This complete zone is going to remain a greater resistance for gold to break past by. Stochastic rising, MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover, not yet crossed over. RSI rising. Coming to now on the daily charts, there is one important observation. See, despite the drop, the prices have closed above 20 period moving average. That is important. Second thing is, it is delivered higher lows, and it is still respecting the support zone here. This is the support zone. Earlier this was the resistance. This is going to be the support zone. Gold needs to break below this in order to trade bearish. Now, third observation here is, look at the preceding candle, diminishing body size. Lower highs is another one. And thus right now I can say it has scope for a further down move, and once it slides, it is going to be a stronger one. The stochastic at bottom, MACD. Now see, MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, looking downwards. See, the mouth is open. It appears that it can deliver bigger bearish candles here. RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. Before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, which offers you a safer environment to trade, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this very simple, ideally you have to wait for 2505, 2510 zone to be taken. As long as gold stays below this, you should not treat this as bullish, but those who want to risk a little can buy at 2502. Beyond that, you can expect 2505, 2506.5 first target, 2510, 2512 the second, and at any point of time, gold staying beyond 2510, 2512, consider that as a reversal that will mark the rise, which can take the prices again towards 2520, 2526 zone, chances of which, as far as my opinion is concerned, appears to be very less. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2489, 90 zone. Expect it to move towards 2484, 85 first, 78, 80 second, 2470 the third. Below 2470, stay short. For within gold, we will look forward to 2450 levels very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, again staying bearish, very clear. I have shared this yesterday. Again, I am sharing it. Drop, retracement or consolidation, drop, retracement or consolidation, drop, retracement or consolidation. Moving averages trading with divergence and bearishness. Price is just retracing towards the 20 period and finding 20 period moving average as a greater resistance. And this zone here now to in between 20 to 2850 is the milestone it needs to break in order to it appears. See the movement here. After the drop, it is just stayed in range and it is finding it difficult to break past by on the upside. Now on the downside, 2780 is one level which is definitely very critical. 2780, 2775 zone. We have to watch out how it behaves here. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI showing a little rise. It has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour. Now see on the 2 hour charts, look at these 5 candles, very important, falling shy of 2810 levels. So it is also clear that once it breaks beyond 2810, you can say that the bulls are back in action. You can look forward to 2825, 2840, 2860 levels. Chances for 28 breaking silver beyond 2860 appears to be less, but these are markets. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. So yes, if you see the lower price above 2810, you can initiate a buying entry here and expect it to rise, else it is still not to be treated bullish here. Why it could rise towards this 20 period moving average lying here, prices can hit the highs here towards this zone before reversing. So 2840, 2860 is going to be prime resistance. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to cross over for a buy, and this is important. After forming double bottom trying to rise, I will see how the current candle performs here. A stronger bullish candle certainly is a sign of reversal. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour chart, this is consolidation which is going on, lower highs, higher lows, and it has to come out of this zone. This is as simple as this. Then only you can say that it is taking a direction. Also, after the drop retracement, it has formed a flat top. It could reverse easily. Stochastic rising, MACD has not yet crossed over. RSI is still oversold. Coming to 4 hour chart. Look at 4 hour charts. Very simple, very easy. Diminishing bullishness, reversal sign, flat top, greater resistance, trying to reverse. Possibility of a drop exists here. We have to still not consider silver, even if it tries to rise. Again, I am highlighting this fact. Even if it tries to rise towards 2840, 60, you can initiate a selling entry there rather than buying there. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See 2 candles with increasing body size, moving averages crossing over here, sign of bearishness, increasing body size, leaving the tail behind. It appears that the current candle might take it further low. Now further low means it can keep moving downwards, breaching below 2750, 2720 zone. Possibility exists strong. So in sum, it appears that largely it could be a bearish day. And if you look at the daily charts, I have also shared earlier, drop, retracement. Now it is creating a bearish channel. The lows of this channel are at $26 level. So if silver continues to slide below 2740, 2720 zone, expect that 2650 and 26 should be very soon. stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over here for sell, RSI dropping here. Looking at this, I will recommend you to sell silver at 27.80, expect 27.65, 27.50, 27.50.40 as a very good support, then 27.20. Any drop below this is a sign of a major drop, taking it till towards 26.85.90 and 26.60. Take your trades accordingly. Below that, again 26.20 and 26 are also possible. These are markets, once it starts to move, it is going to move strongly. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 28.10. When you see the lower price above 28.10, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 28.25, 28.40 levels, and then 28.60. The zone between 28.40 and 60 is going to remain critical for the day. Even if it tries to rise, I do not see it breaking, and if it breaks, we should not see it coming back. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. See you again before the US session, before the data releases. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.